Drop the gun! Drop the weapon! I like watching your babies fall, though. I'll get you, bitch. Nothing. Gotta get the fuck out of here. Hey, I didn't fucking shoot at you, you prick. You're lucky this is empty. I wasn't, the Mac just wasn't in. You're lying, you're a liar. You don't need to lie, it's okay. It's okay. How do we know if you're not gonna miss and hit us? No. That went past his fucking skull. We're doing this, really? Okay, Sergeant? Is there a dead one? Get marked? I want the mark. I'm a private first class. It says so on my knee pads. Right there. I had to mark them which one was the right knee pad and which one was the left knee pad, so I decided to do that as well. Because I don't know my right from my left. I'm a fucking gangster. I'm a... Bye, 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 bye. Oh my god! No. Oh my god, he's right above. This is a terrible idea.